Hello guys, in this video we're going to be building this contact form with just HTML and CSS. If you're interested in web design, web development, programming or DevOps, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, before we start coding, let's take a look at what we are going to build today. Here we have a card with a little hover effect and two SVG images on the form by the right. When you scroll down, there's a footer with the link to the repository, the GitHub repository. So guys, please you have to bear with me, I'm pretty bad at English. So let's jump into VS Code and write some codes. Here I have a folder open called Quick Contact. Inside the folder, the images I'm going to use for this tutorial, I'm going to create a file called index.html, and in the root I'm also going to create a folder called CSS. In the CSS folder, I'm going to create a file called style.css. I'm using MS. I'm just going to generate some HTML tags with exclamation tab. I'm going to call this Quick Contact, and let's link our CSS here. Link CSS/style.css. Here we're going to have a div with a class of body. We're going to have a div with a class of container. It's going to wrap around everything. And here we're going to have a div with a class of heading. This is the heading section. Let me comment this. Heading. We're going to have a heading with a class of heading. And we're going to have a h1, a class of text dash secondary. Spell this wrong. Secondary. So let's use lorem 5 tab. We're going to have a paragraph. Lorem 12 tab. Under the heading, this is where we're going to have our form. So contact form. We're going to have a div with a class of form details dash details, a class of container. We're going to have a h1 with a class a span with a class of text secondary. Call this quick, and here we have contacts. Now we're going to have the form. We're going to have a couple of divs here. First one for the name, so input type text, a placeholder. We're going to enter your name. We're going to give it a name of name. We're going to give it a class of input. Next, let's copy this down 3 times. Here we're going to have an input to the type of email. I'll call this email name. Email. This is going to be number. Enter your mobile. Let's call it mobile number. Name. Number. A class of input. Here, this is where we're going to write our message, so it's going to be a text area. Text area. No need for the type here. And again, name is going to be message. And it's going to have a class of text area. So right under, we're going to have a div with a class of buttons. This is where we're going to have our button. So first we're going to have an input, a type of reset. As the reset button, a class of reset, and the value is going to be reset. So I'm going to call it clear. Then we're also going to give it a class of btn dash secondary. Let me get rid of this first. And next we're gonna put an input with a type of submit, a value of submit, class of btn primary. These are primary and secondary buttons. Right below the container, we're going to create our footer in the class of footer. Let's just maybe footer, paragraph, copyright, copy. We're going to put a span here, https github.com/thenature. Gonna be divine nature. So that's it for the HTML. So I'm going to open this with live server, so I'll see how it looks right now. Okay, it looks really horrible. So let's go into CSS and style it. First, we're going to do some basic resets. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Next, we're going to give our body width of 100% and font family, area. And remember, we have to deal with a class of body, so we're going to give it a background image of img. We're going to go out of the CSS folder, img/bg image. Background size is cover. Don't want this image to repeat, so I'm going to give it a background repeat, no repeat. Then I'm going to give it a margin of auto 0 auto. I want everything centered, so I'm going to give it display grid, place items, center. I'm also going to give this a padding bottom of 5 rem. Then my images, I'll give it a width of 100% and the height 100%. Then remember, we have a class of text secondary, so we're going to give the color, and it's going to be #ff7b00. We also have a class of heading, so I'm going to give it a margin of 3 rem. And for our container, class of container, we're going to give it a width of 80% and margin of auto. For the H1 in our heading class, in our heading container, we're going to give it a font size of 3 rem. And the paragraph, not heading, paragraph, we're giving it a font size of 1.1 rem. Then our container, we are done with our container. Next, we'll style the buttons. The BTN, the general style, we're going to give it a padding of 0.8 rem and 1.7 rem left and right, and a color of white, outline none, border none. We're going to give it a cursor pointer, font weight of bold. So we're going to take out, okay. Next, I'm going to give it a margin right. Let's just give it a general margin of 0 top and bottom, 0.5 rem left and right. Then transition, I'm going to give it a transition of opacity 0.5 seconds, ease out. Then we're going to give it a border radius of 5 pixels. Let's take a look at what we've done so far. So let me open the Chrome. So this is how it looks. Oh, forgot to add the images and the background image, so that's what we're going to do real quick. So here, a a div with a class of form container, and here we have a div with a class of images. Also have a class of container, and the images will be in a div with a class of SVG, SVG1 and SVG2. So link the image here, img/mail1.svg. We'll copy this one more time. It's gonna be SVG2. It's gonna be SVG2. Let's indent this properly. And let's save and take a look. Yeah, there we go. So let's work on the background image. Don't know why it's not coming up. So up here it's supposed to be background size, color, not background. Okay. So now we are going to work on the buttons, then we'll work on the card. So for the buttons we go, I give it a class of BTN primary. I'll give it the background money sign 0051 FF. Then the secondary color, secondary button, gonna have a background of, okay, here we go. Let's take a look. Alright, next we are going to work on the card. So I'll give it a class of form container, and one more thing I forgot, this div is supposed to end right here. Also this folder is supposed to be in the body. So the form container, we're gonna give it a width of 80%. Background overlay of RGBA 255 and 0.25. Gonna give border radius of 15 pixels, margin 0, top and bottom, bottom left and right, and display as flex. Gonna take the overflow hidden, and also gonna give it a box shadow of 0, 4 pixels, 25 pixels, and RGBA 0.2. This is supposed to be 0.5, not 2.5. I'm gonna add a transition in the opacity because we're gonna give it a hover effect. Transition opacity 0.3 seconds. Ease in out. Let's take a look. Okay. So let's work on the over form container colon over. I'll give it a box shadow of 0, 4 pixels, 35 pixels, and RGBA 0.4. Next, we're going to work on the images container, which I give a class of images. We're going to give it a flex of 5 and the form details. We're going to give it a flex of 7. Let's save and take a look. Here we go. Now, if we take a look at the final project, I paused the video to open the final project. So if you take a look at the final project, see that this section have a background overlay of blue. So that's what we're gonna do now, and all the items are placed in the center. So what we're gonna do is go back to VS Code, and I'm gonna give it a display of grid, place content to the center, place items, center, width of 100%, 0 left and right. Next, we're going to give it a background color of money sign 008CFF9C. Let's save and take a look. Here we go. So we're also going to give it a margin of 0. Alright, perfect. The next one we're going to work on is the input. I'll give it a class of input. I'll take out the border, the outline, I'll take out the background, I'll give it a color of white. I'll give it a border bottom of 2 pixels, solid money sign FF700. Let's save and take a look. Alright, next we're gonna add a padding and a margin. Alright, a margin 0.5 pixels top and bottom and 0 left and right. I'm gonna add a padding of 0.8 pixels. I'm gonna add a font size of 1.3 rem. Let's take a look. Alright, margin didn't work. Margin 0.5 pixels, 0.5 rem. Okay, yeah, it worked. And this is also 0.8 rem. Alright, that worked. So next we're going to work on the text area. I don't want it to be resizable, and so I'll give it a class of text area. I'll give it a padding of 0.8 rem. Give it a font size of 1.3 rem. I'm going to take out the border. I'm going to take out the outline. 0. Let's take a look. We're going to give it a max width of 300 pixels. I'll give it a width of 300 pixels. Also going to give it a height of 100 pixels. I'm going to set the size to 9. Alright. Next thing, we're going to work on the footer. So footer, I'll give it a padding of 2 rem round. I'll give it text align to the center. Let's take a look. Alright, there we go. Next, we are going to work on this. We need to add some margin to push it down a little bit. So it's heading. The heading, margin 3 rem, plus of heading. Let's make it a div instead of a tab. Alright, that works. So next, what we're going to work on is the responsiveness. Take a look at the final project. You resize it. It looks pretty good, but this looks pretty horrible. So what we're going to do, we're going to add some media queries. We'll go like this. Media queries. Let me send it from screen. Medium and small screens. I'm going to add media screen and max width. Max width of 680 pixels. First we are going to change the flex direction of the form container. So I'll give it a class of form container. Flex direction to column. Next, we're gonna hide one image, because if you take a look, there are 2 images right now. And let's take away the width of this form container. Here is it. Form container. Alright, let's take the width away. Alright, here we go. It looks better. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take away one image. So I give it a class of SVG, SVG1, and display none. And next thing, we're going to reduce the sizes of some text here. So in the input and the text area, I'm going to give it a font size of 100, and the heading paragraph, give it a font size of 100. Also going to reduce the text secondary and the heading H1, give it a font size of 200. Next, work on the text area. As if you take a look, when you resize it, let's inspect this using a mobile view and take this to the right. Okay, so when you take a look, you see that this gets hidden away whenever you resize it. And again, we're going to align these items to the center. So let's go back to our form container and give it a text align in the center and our text area we're gonna make it max width of 250 pixels. We'll save, check again. Alright, that looks better now. If you stayed till the end, I really appreciate. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.